Welcome to UBUNYE's Partner Program, where your dedication meets exceptional rewards. This program rewards loyalty, enhances capabilities, and fosters mutual growth, creating opportunities for all. From silver to platinum, each tier unlocks exclusive benefits meticulously designed to elevate your business. Gain access to resources and support systems that drive growth and foster success. Explore our partner program, offering comprehensive benefits at every level. Each tier is designed to help you succeed, with clear responsibilities and structured growth paths. It's more than benefits. It's about building a vibrant community committed to mutual prosperity. Together, let's embark on a journey of innovation and collaboration. Welcome to the new era of partnership at UBUNYE.